You can see we're pretty much done. We have a roof left to put on. Pretty much everything else is done. If we open it up, you can see that we have boxes and nesting boxes, a couple of roosts. We got some chicken poop that needs to be scrubbed out. That's what that brush does up there. We use that to scrub it down and put it down there on the ground, and it gets raked up and put in the garbage. Then over here we have our chicken door that comes down. The chickens walk down, they can hop out. So again, it's up off the ground, easy to clean. Everything's easy to clean. Looking from this side, we've got it set up so that we can separate it. We also need to put our roofing material on here and then paint it. The top opens up and it stays, and you can see our nesting boxes. This one comes down so that when it's time to clean, we just pull this out, put it on the ground, or put the bucket up against here, put all the shavings into it. These boxes slide in and out, so we can open them up. There's talk of closing this side off, putting a couple of rabbits in there, and we can close that back up. This lip on here, that's what holds the bottom piece in so that they can't get out. So as you can see, we've now got a pretty clean. We've got to fix this corner over there with some fencing and get rid of that old hose box. And that is what we have going on for the chicken hutch at the moment. So looking at plants here, we've added a new blackberry that's got lots of growth on it from one of our local farmers markets, someone that we know for being there. He does a lot of plants. We're seeing a lot of growth on all of our plants here. And this is our blood orange, I believe. Ganny took out the strawberries, and here's another raspberry, I think it is, plant that she's trying to grow. We've got lots of blooms and growing lemons on our lemon tree. This one, again, I believe are plums. And you can see that that's growing. Got another one here growing. This thing has just been growing leaves. As you can follow us, you know that that was not like that about 2 weeks ago. We tower gardens. We have harvested some more of the cabbage. We've got more cauliflower growing. The spinach plant has decided it wanted to grow. We've got some more. This is from True Gardens. These three here that we have planted. This is corn that I've grown from a seed that is in here until it gets to a point where we get big enough and plant it in the ground. This is also some snow peas that we started from a seed. And coming on this side, everything seems to be growing. This is, again, we harvested that last week and it's growing back. This is, I believe, some purple cabbage. Everything just seems to keep growing. All of our peas are growing strong. We've got lots of lettuce. Our strawberries have got lots of blossoms and growth. This monster down here is our artichoke that just has really grown. It's gotten quite big. And here's some more lettuce. We've been eating a lot of lettuce, growing a lot of lettuce. On here we've got room to grow, add some more plants. So inside here we're continuing to grow our beets And our peppers, again, those are all store-bought. This is the growth off of our seeds we grew. We've changed these out for some peas, and I can't remember what we planted on that side, but I'll have to see it once it comes up and figure out what it is. Some more growth just on some plants. Here are our eggs that we collected today. Here is another tray of seeds that are going in. We've got garlic and shallots growing in here, as well as some onions that we've grown from just a pod. So that's kind of an overview of where we're at and what we're doing on projects. And thank you for watching, and subscribe and like. Thank you.